Your swatch palette in your toolbox has a lot more options. If we look at it, you can see that we have the foreground and background colors already selected here, but I don't like those. I want to go back to black and white. So what I can do is come over here and set, it says default background and foreground colors, which it has a shortcut key attached to it, which is D. So if you've already chosen colors, let's go to my brush tool. Let's choose some colors here. There we go, and we'll switch. And of course, to switch between these two, I'm using the shortcut key X. It switches between your foreground and background colors. It's a lot easier to do. And I'll choose that. There we go. Now we have those. And I'm going to hit D because I want back to black and white. This way, it's a lot easier to switch between these colors and to move. And this really helps your workflow, especially if you're painting an original portrait or just anything. Photo color corrections really helps as well. So just play around with it and get the hang of it and have fun with it.